Hi, I'm Gunter and I'm here to take you down Wales memory lane. So this photo, in November I think, against the USA, which was an important game for myself. I hadn't been playing too regularly for the team. To captain the team probably makes it extra more special, so one that I really enjoyed. So this one would have been taken obviously in the changing room. The night we qualified, we were going to another major tournament. The sort of hour in the change room after the game was an unbelievable place to be, and one that we'll all remember for a long, long time. This photo would have been taken in the changing room, I think, on that famous Friday night after the Belgian game at home. I think everyone will always remember that. I got a little bit creative and put 4 into 1. I'm not the most entertaining on social media. This would have been obviously the celebration night at home after we qualified against Andorra. A full house back home with all your family and friends. They're so happy and proud that we'd achieved something that we'd worked so hard for. We got to do it at home in front of our fans, and a real special night. Won the game and everything went to plan. So this photo, we knew we was going to the semi-final really. Once Folksy, obviously scored in front of our fans in that corner. Yeah, I don't know, couldn't tell you what I was feeling in my body. We played Panama at home. He equalled Gary Speed's number of caps, which was a hugely proud night for me. Beyond the game and everything else, that's the one thing that will always stand out when I see that sort of photo from that evening.